Good morning, everyone. Say good morning.
Morning.
There we go. There's everybody. It is a stormy morning this morning. And it's been a while since we just did a daily vlog. But yeah, it is storming outside. And not just a little bit. Like lightning and thundering. Yay. But at least we were able to get some yard work done yesterday afternoon. Not all of it, just some of it, because yeah, you hear that. We were able to get some yard work done, but I was doing what I usually do, because Matt and I split it up, and he was changing the oil. It's pretty much just a normal day for us, like a normal school day. I have work to do. I've got computer set up. I've got some work I need to get done, and they have school today, and that's pretty much it. But I thought I would just do a daily vlog and do something different, because we've been doing a lot of like topical vlogs and things. And sorry about that. We are in the process of fixing to remodel the girls' bathroom, and I just decided that I did not need this whole cabinet full of canning jars anymore, because I don't can a lot anymore. I used to with my grandmother, and I just haven't had the heart to do it. And there's places where you can buy the already done up stuff cheaper, so you know, I just really don't have the heart to do it as much anymore. So I've been selling some of our canning stuff and trying to get this closet cleared out, which is part of my goal for today. Is once I'm done with work while they're doing school in here, to finish up cleaning out what we're going to get rid of out of this closet, so we can kind of redo it this weekend while Matt and I are both off work. And I've also been replacing these off the bottoms of the chairs. I'm not really worried about the table as much. I think those are fine, but like the chairs needed them replaced, because they just do every now and then. And I'm thinking of taking these long ones and trying to see if those will work under Matt's recliner, because his recliner accidentally scratched our hardwood floor the other day. Ooh-wee. So we're gonna try to do that today. But yeah, that's it. Is that I'm just gonna bring you along on our day and just do an everyday adventure today. Breakfast is over. Some people have asked how keto diet's going. Keto is kind of hard sometimes, because like this morning the kids could have like granola and milk for a quick breakfast, but I can't because granola has carbs in it. So instead I had a low carb wrap with cheese and sour cream, which is not like the best breakfast, but I needed a quick breakfast to just get our day started. Today, while it's storming, and I guess to kind of change up our day a little bit, we have a friend who was recently diagnosed with cancer. So we decided today to make her some cards to send to her, because we've missed her. We don't get to see her as much right now. So what I do is I have this big box of scrapbooking supplies that I had accumulated before I had children, because I think we've been married almost 2 years before we had Madeline. No, we have been married 2 years before we had Madeline. So I would just scrapbook in my free time whenever, you know, I didn't have anything else to do, because I actually wasn't working then, because we thought we'd start a family right away. And then we didn't have you until 2 years later. So I had accumulated all this scrapbooking supplies. What we do now is whenever the girls want to make cards, I just pull out the scrapbooking box and let them use what they want. And there's a couple things that we tell them, hey, you know, this is something I have set aside for a special project, don't use it. But otherwise, they can just use them for this. It has paper, it has like the die cuts like Rebecca's punching out now. And then they also have this bucket of supplies that we keep on hand. It has markers in here somewhere. It has tissue paper, little hearts and things that I think their grandmother picked up from Dollar Tree. Some stencils. Hang on a second. Stencils, glue, stickers, highlighters, calendar pages was a suggestion. Sorry, Chubby. Somebody else had. Those would be kind of big for a small card, though.
No,
we have to make them fit in an envelope.
Right here.
Yeah, that's true. You can use small pictures. So we're going to try to clear some of the table off and focus on letting them do that today. And they're going to work on those. And I'll do a small card for her as well. So work's done for the day. That's one thing I like about what I do working at home, is that I have the opportunity to just work whenever I want to work to work whenever I can. And it stopped storming. So yay, no more storms. For now. Yeah, glad it stopped storming, because now that means I can get the laundry and dishes done. We've actually been working pretty hard on trying to keep laundry and dishes caught up while we've been back and forth doing a lot of staycation this summer, which is what most of our summer has been, is staycation. But now that it's not storming outside, I can turn on and work on dishes. I've got all of them in a basket right now on the counter because I got behind a little bit. And start laundry. The kids are working on math, language, spelling. So it's now early afternoon. The younger two are eating their lunch. Basically we do salad, like a handful of salad, and then we put egg salad over top of it. And this time they're eating pickles with it because I don't add relish into the egg salad because Matt and I can't have the relish. Madeline is doing some math check. Laundry just changed over. So, I mean, like I said, it's just like a normal everyday day for us, but I just wanted to take you guys along anyways. The only thing different we done was we did the cards this morning for our friend who has cancer, and that's really sad. And we believe that cards and trying to give them ways to something positive to look forward to each day kind of helps them in their healing process. So that's why we did it, and because we just wanted to share the love with them. So I mean, that was different for our day, but the rest of it's just a normal homeschool day for us. But it's still an adventure, right? It's an at-home adventure. Hopefully soon we're going to have some new adventures not at home. I'm not 100% sure yet when or how. Checking on laundry, the dryer's going. I'm not sure when or how, but we are gonna have some at-home adventure, or some not at-home adventures, but we'll let you know whenever those come up. I'm right in the middle of filming and cooking all of our breakfast for this week, doing all of our egg cups. The girls are finishing up school.
I'm at house.
Yay, finishing up. But we gotta finish up early because we're going into town tonight, remember? Yay! You like the new glasses?
Sure.
I like the new glasses on you. And somebody's happy. Yes, you are. And he's staying out of my kitchen, right? Are you staying out of the kitchen today? Are you staying out of the kitchen? What are you doing?
My health book told me to try to balance a book on my head by getting up and walking around the room.
How far can you go?
I don't know. I'm trying.
Not very far. Dinner tonight's a little simplistic. I just did a beef, broccoli, and rice. I did ground beef with some balsamic vinegar, balsamic vinegar, pepper, stale steak seasoning, and some Worcestershire sauce. Broccoli, and I did rice for the kids, and steamed rice cauliflower for Matthew and I. Okay, so Matt's home, and we're on our way out the door already for a few hours, and then we'll be back. But we'll take you with us along on our journey. Sorry, it's just like Matt got home late, and so now I'm just like a space case trying to get everybody loaded up and ready to go. We ready? So it is the end of the day. The kids are in bed. We're back home. You saw the beautiful sunset while we were out tonight and out and about. We got to go see a friend and just encourage them and love on them. And so that was our day today. Like I said, it was just like a normal day for us, just around the house. But I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you find something inspirational from what we did today. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow. Good night.